Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add text on TikTok videos. If you're using TikTok and you want to add text into your TikTok videos, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app. Very first, I recommend you have to try to update your TikTok app to prevent issues. So open your TikTok app after updating. Here just tap on this plus option, and here you can also record a video, or you can try to add a video from your gallery. So once on gallery, just select the video which you want to add, and here just tap on this text option, and here you just have to enter the text. So once I've entered your text, just tap on this done option. You can add a text font or color, but I'm going to tap on this done option again here, and here once you have done, just select the text and then tap on set duration. If you want to set the text for different times, so you can set the duration in which you might see the text. Just tap on this done option here, and it will be set it. Now after this text, you just have to try to add a new text if you want to, but if you are happy with that, so you just have to tap on this next option here and tap on post option, and it will be posted. So in this way you can easily add text on your TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.